I've always seen my grandmother make her own kajal. During the lockdown, I learned her recipe and today I'm going to share it with you. Let's take a look at what you'll need. Take a handful of the leaves and add them to the jar. Do not add any water whatsoever. If you have trouble grinding it, give the jar a good shake every few seconds and try grinding again. Once it looks like this, you can extract the pulp. Set the bricks like this so that we can create a slow burning stove with castor oil lamps. Spread the extract on a brass plate and place it upside down facing the lamps. Let it sit in a corner for at least 6 hours. Make sure the lamps are lit the entire time. Once it's done, turn the plate around and collect the ash. Add the tiniest pinch of edible camphor to this. Add some ghee and give it a good mix until you get this consistency. So there we have it, it's done. Although this smudges easily and is not as practical as store-bought eyeliner, I wanted to document this traditional family recipe and share it with you. Hope you like it.